We will see how to use round function in Tableau. So for using this function, we have to create one calculation field. So here I'll put the title as a round number, and here we will type round and select this round function. So in the round function, we will be having the two different types of input. One is number and the decimal. And so over here on the right side, we can see the definition of this function. So it says the round function rounds a number to a nearest integer or to a specific number of decimal places. So what is actually saying is whatever number we are using as an input. So for example, I used as a 5.56. So as you can see here, this is showing the calculation is valid. So we can see the decimal input is optional. So if I click on apply and click on OK. So if I drag this field round number and drop it onto the text, and then after that click on drop down, click on measure sum and select average. So we can see here it is showing the value as a 5. So if we see our function again and see the input that we have put inside the function, so it is rounding up all the number. So basically, if we use the bigger number than 5, so let's suppose if we use 6. So if I click on apply, so we can see here now it is showing the rounded number as a 6. So the number which is less than 5, so if I use here 4, as a 4 after a decimal, and if I click on apply, so we can see the number has been changed again. Now it is showing 5. So if the number after a decimal is less than 5, so it will show the same number which is before the decimal. So if we use higher number, the example that we used before, something like 6, and click on apply, so we can see now it is showing the 6, which is the next value after 5. And you can also do if you want to show the decimal places also. So the second input is decimals. So if I use here, so it will show the number up to 2 decimal places, and then click on apply, and now we can see here, so it is showing 5.63. 5.63, the number we have used inside the function, which is 5.6346, and the decimal we used as a 2. So we can see the output is the 5.63. So the decimal input is used to show the numbers up to particular decimal places. So this is how we can use the round function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.